provincial courts, however, responsibility, as you know, in terms of Section 154 of the Constitution of the Republic, that the provincial and national government must support local government. And we have been doing so in all 54 municipalities. From time to time, we formulate reports and we update executive council on the progress and challenges and achievements of all 54 municipalities. You will remember last year in June, we did an assessment of all municipalities. And after that, we developed, working with the municipalities, something that we call is a recovery plan, support plan as well. Then from time to time, we need to update the executive council on the implementation and addressing all the challenges that have been identified through the process of assessment. Section 54A or Section 56. I think it was Section 54A was still back. Section 54A ukhuluma nge-appointment of municipal manager. Section 56 ukhuluma nge-appointment of senior manager.